Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you like to view REITs, savings, or mortgages, etc., on the Alterna's bank's website, in today's video, we are going to go ahead and guide you through the process in order to do so. So, first of all, you can go ahead and navigate to the main REIT section for general products like term deposits or mortgages, or finance account based online or mobile banking for your personal account interest rates. So on the main Altana website, you can often find a rate option. You can look out for that. If you find it, you can just go in and look out for the rate option and click on it, which may be available like this with a detailed page. So once you are here, you can look out for the specific product you are interested in, such as term deposits or mortgages. So there are different rates and mortgages available that the page will display the relevant rates, sometime with effective dates for term deposits. You can just go ahead and access it up and look out for the description. After that, you can access your online banking account through the website. Look out for the login option in the top right corner and log into their account. And once you are logged in into their account, you can select the accounts tab to see the list of products once you are logged in, and choose any of the accounts to see the details, including interest rates for that specific product. And alternatively, you can select the accounts button in the bottom navigation of the mobile application or the website to find your account details. And that should view your savings, mortgages, etc. within the site. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.